Do you believe that changing your entire life in just 60 days is impossible? If yes, this story is about to shake that belief. What I'm about to share isn't theory, it's a proven system. A system that can help you achieve in 2 months what most people can't in an entire year. Get ready, because we're starting right now. Imagine this. A man climbed Mount Everest twice in just 3 days. Yes, twice in 3 days. Or take the novel Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Its first draft was written in only 3 days. These stories prove one thing. You don't need years to achieve greatness. You need speed, clarity, and focused action. Today, we'll break down that system. Most people wait for the perfect moment, and that waiting kills progress. Jeff Bezos once said, "Never wait for 100% certainty." Make your decision at 70% clarity and improve with action. That's the 70 to 30 rule. 70% decision, 30% adjustment. Amazon followed this mindset and became the fastest growing company in the world. So next time you're stuck, think for 30 minutes, then decide and move. Before every task, ask yourself, is it critical? Is it essential? Or is it just enhancing? Focus on the first two and let go of the rest. Stephen Covey once said, prioritize your priorities, not your schedule. Give time to what truly matters, not just what's on your calendar. Ever felt like you worked all day, but achieved nothing real? That's called the delusion of doing. Being busy doesn't mean being productive. Elon Musk understood this difference. While others were still planning, he was already building. And the result? He won. The truth is, waiting for perfection kills momentum. Action creates motion. If you're in your 20s, this is your prime time. Every day, every hour is an investment. That's why we created The Success Secret, a passion project that teaches you how to get measurable results in just 60 days. If you truly want to change your life, check the link in the description or pinned comment. One small step could flip your entire story. The simplest yet most powerful habit is the 5-minute rule. If a task takes 5 minutes, do it now. And if it's a big task, just tell yourself, I'll start for 5 minutes. Often those 5 minutes are all you need to finish it completely. The co-founder of Instagram once said, if you don't feel like doing it, start for 5 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Break that wall. A duck can do many things. It can fly, swim, walk, but it's not great at any. A horse, on the other hand, does one thing. It runs, and it becomes unbeatable. In every race, the one with laser focus wins. Horses wear blinders, so their eyes stay fixed only on the finish line. Do the same. Block the noise. Focus on your one true goal. You don't need 20 goals for this year. You need just one. And for the next 60 days, give it everything. When water spreads in every direction, it loses its strength. But when it flows in one focused stream, it cuts through rock. When your energy is aligned toward one target, nothing can stop you. Now the choice is yours. Do you want to be the duck trying everything, mastering nothing, or the racehorse that writes history? If this video inspired you, hit like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Thank you.